office to put up my stuff. I always see those little videos about like people putting up their stuff, and I like those videos, and I've always wanted to do one. So this is like, you know, if you're like, if you have anxiety or like, you know, a little nervous, you got a little nervousness to you, this is like something that I do, because you know, I experienced that, and you know, I'm restoring myself from that by the grace of God. I always include God in everything, so y'all gonna hear that a lot, in Jesus. So this is something that I do that helps me like focus my mind. Like if you have like racing thoughts, like your mind gets overwhelmed and stuff, this helps me like putting stuff up or whatever. That this helps me to distract myself, and like, you know, it makes me feel good, because I'm like, okay, I'm putting everything up. It's you know, being organized and stuff like that. So I want to show you how I do it. This is raw and uncut. Remember, I don't have no intro and all that, so this is just raw and uncut. This is my second YouTube video, and I wasn't gonna do another video. Like, I was gonna leave my first video just there, but I was like, it'll be a good idea to just put up my stuff and record that. So I had to get those angles, y'all, and that was kind of hard, but I made it work. So for that, just off that alone, like, share, and subscribe this, and just give me feedback, like, hey, next time do this or something like that if you want to. That's cool. I'm open to it. I don't get offended like that. I'm not an easily offended person, so I'm very understanding. So let me close this toilet, and y'all, I'm out of breath. But I'm okay though. Remember, you are okay. You can still breathe. All my stuff is down. So all this stuff is going in the bathroom. I have this deodorant, but like I said, y'all, I'm trying to be vegan. Transitioning to vegan, so this has aluminum in it. No offense to Suave. But I just, you know, me personally. But if you use that, you use that. That's your business. But this is what I have. If you didn't see my first video, but you should check that out, because I was sharing my story, and you get to see the things that I'm putting up. So yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna make this like a fast video or what yet. We gonna see. Or if it comforts you, like me just going slow, makes you feel like I'm with you, that's fine too. Just tell me how you want it next time, and I'm gonna make it happen for you. Just off that alone, y'all should like and subscribe and share it if you want to. So. This, y'all might have shower right away. I think I'm putting this up here. But is it open? I'm gonna open it later. I ain't gonna open it right now. I'm gonna open this later. I ain't gonna open it right now. Sorry, y'all, went off camera for a little bit. I had to put that stuff up, those bags. So, oh, I'm still learning, y'all. So this is what I got right here. I'm finna put up all this stuff. So I'll put this right here. So I don't know where I gotta use the rest of this. This is what I got. Soothe and sleep with lavender. It's almost gone. I don't have the Espion salt for it. I just got this. But I like to, like I said, you gotta watch the video. You'll know what I said on there. But yeah, cause I was gonna tell y'all, but y'all gotta watch my other video. Like, support your girl. I'm pretty cool. I'm like your homegirl, like, your chill homegirl, I'm tired, y'all, so I probably look like it. And this is raw and uncut too. So, and we're restoring Ashton, so I'm like, not yet. But right now, I try to uplift myself now and tell myself, like, it's okay not to, if you don't got something done right now or whatever, you're still beautiful just like you. So hopefully, that's what we're gonna talk about too on my channel, like uplifting and stuff like that. Because like I said, I struggled, even before all of this, I struggled with low self-esteem and stuff like that. So, hopefully we can help each other, or I can help you, or you can help me. Like, I'm not really that type of person, like, like, I don't need nobody help and stuff like that. Like, I like to give people's opinions and stuff. So, but yeah, I gotta put all this stuff up, y'all. Like, I gotta put all this up, cause yeah. So, I don't even. You said I can use this other side. It looks like it got stuff all in here. Is this mine? No, this not mine. Okay. It's stuff all up in here. I might put these in the medicine cabinet. And like these, y'all don't see me open these, but my hair stuff, we still gotta go to what's that called? Dollar Tree, so I get some baskets. But, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna have it out. I ain't gonna have this out because I don't want it to get wet. Even though it can, because it's like I'm doing wet skin, but put this up. I don't know, like, if y'all want to see it. Like, I'm not really good with the angles right now yet. But, I will. So, let's see. Let's see how I can set y'all. So, my daughter, her stuff is gonna go over there. I'm putting this under here. Let me open it up. Cause I already got some stuff over here. So this, put that up there. And I gotta appreciate these angles. I'm trying to give to y'all. Okay. Put these up there. I'm gonna put my fade cream up here too. And brush that and then my hair stuff. So I'm gonna open it. Anyway, I'm gonna try not to open it all a while like that. Let me just get one out for right now. If you hear me stutter, or like sound like I'm nervous or whatever, just like I said, just watch my first video and you'll see why, because I talked about that. Yeah, I'm okay though, y'all. Let me put this back. I'm off the camera, but I'm going right there, so I ain't gonna be too far. See, I got in my bag right now, so I'm gonna have to get a basket. Where I say I was gonna put this, I'm gonna put that under there. over there. This. So I'm gonna leave one out. Okay, so put this under there. There we go. All right, y'all. So I gotta appreciate it, right? I gotta appreciate y'all trying so hard to get them angles and all that so y'all can see everything. Like I said, I'm still new to this, so but I appreciate y'all for watching my second video. You know, if you want to see more videos like that, I'm gonna try to work on it a little bit more so they can be aesthetically pleasing to the eye, or it can make me feel like I'm cleaning with y'all, or y'all over my house and we just chilling and I'm cleaning up or something like that. Like, I want y'all to be comfortable with me. But this is my second video, raw and uncut. I ain't got no intro or nothing like that, so I tried. Yeah, I'm doing this off my phone, so yeah, just, you want to see more, just like, subscribe, share if you want to. God bless y'all. I hope y'all have a good night, or if you're watching this in the morning, good morning, good afternoon, just anything. You know, I just hope life is good to y'all, and you know, remember, you are okay. You're gonna be okay. Everything is gonna work out. All praises to the Most High God and Jesus, and thank y'all so much. See y'all later.